So welcome back to the 1% Stock Traders channel. For the month of July, I set a goal to hit 10,000 a month, and we started at around $96,015. So we're about 7% of the way there. It's been kind of slow, but we're gonna pick up steam soon here. For the day today, it wasn't really a good day. I started late and I ended up closing a winning trade a bit too soon, so we ended up with $214.50. We did a total of 24 trades. That includes opened and closed trades. Now, sometimes when you place an order, the system may fill your order twice. They usually divide your share sizes, so it actually ends up being a bit more trades on the same trade. And we traded the SP 500 and Tesla. Did a couple of trades with buys and sells, so it was okay. One thing we did was yeah. So you can see here, and some of these trades are scalps. Like I sell here and then bought back here. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. So typically my daily goal is 500 to 600 net after all the fees and everything, and I should be able to do that by the third week of July. That's the goal. So if you like more of these videos, like and subscribe and follow me on my journey. And if you want me to do some breakdowns on how I enter and take my trades, leave a comment in there as well, and I'll see if I can record a video of that. So that's all for this video, and also definitely stay tuned to the end of the month and see my results. Pretty confident I can hit that. It's nothing too extreme, but I thought like I would share some videos on that. So see you in the next video.